Hello, everyone. Today I am going to talk about the bony skeleton of the pelvis. The pelvis is a ring of bones that connects the trunk and the lower limbs. It includes the hip bones, the sacrum, and the coccyx. Sacrum, coccyx. Some important landmarks and the iliac crest, anterior superior alien spine, pubic semiphysis, and the obturator foramen. The pelvis supports the spinal column and protects pelvic organs like the bladder, rectum, and reproductive organs. Now let's look at the female pelvic diaphragm. It is formed made by the levator and myxoid, which link the put burculets, pubcuncidus, and the ileoconcidus. This must support the pelvic organs and help control erectionism and the flexion. We walk also see the vagina, uterine, and the Redman passing through this muscular floor. In the male pelvis, the pelvic diaphragm has a similar structure. In the holes includes the levator and the uncontinuous muscle. But here we cast the prostatic gland and the ureterian pituitary belfry floor. These muscles are essential for continence and sexual function. This diagram shows the external genital organs in the female. We can see the uterus, ovaries, luteal tubes, and vagina. The brown ligaments support the uterus, while the hovering ligaments connects the ovary to the uterus. The ram ligaments help maintain the position on the uterus. These structures are important for reproduction. Here we have a side view of the male pelvic diaphragm. You can see the urinary bladder, the prostatic gland, and the urethra running through the penis. Myxoid lacks the valvoconcucius and is incavernous in incursion and the ejaculation. The rectum and the anal canal are located posteriorly. Let's talk about the arteries of the rectum and eighth canal in the male. The main artery and the superior rectal artery, middle rectal artery, and the inferior rectal artery. They supply blood to rectum and the anal canal. These arteries come from the inferior mesenteric artery and the internal pudendal artery. Finally, we have the veins of the rectum and anal canal in the female. The main veins are the superior mid and the inferior rectal veins. Therefore, the rectal venous plexus, which drains blood from the rectum. This area is important because venous problems here can cause hemorrhoids.